Hey guys, today's video, I will show you how to remove Buy It Now button on Shopify. So the first thing we need to do is open up your admin account. As shown on the screen, the admin interface displays various options such as home, orders, products, customers, analytics, and more. The interface is identical for all users. To illustrate this point, if we access our Shopify store and navigate to the product section, we will notice a Buy It Now located at the bottom of the other option. Removing the Buy It Now button and leaving only the other option is a simple process. Firstly, return to the Shopify admin panel and select Online Store. And after that, we will go to our current theme. As you can see here, it's the current theme. And then we will click Customize here. And now, what we need to do is we go to our product. We will click Product here and then this one default product. Within the default product settings, locate the Buy It Now button and uncheck the box next to it. After unchecking, the Buy It Now button will be removed, leaving only the other option. And that's it guys. That's how we remove Buy It Now button on Shopify. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.